Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wagon for kids is probably one of the most indispensable tools for parents navigating busy parks, long walks, or even just a trip to the grocery store, offering a fantastic blend of convenience and comfort, ensuring your little ones have a secure and enjoyable ride while you effortlessly transport all their essentials, making family outings smoother and more memorable than ever before. Number 5. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon with Canopy. Discover ultimate flexibility with this wagon. It offers 3 riding modes, for 2 riders, comfortable bench seating, or convenient hauling. It adapts to whatever your day brings. Little ones will stay cozy and safe. Thick padded seats and a UV canopy with adjustable poles provide comfort and protection. It's perfect for walks, park visits, and beach adventures. Enjoy a consistently smooth and reliable journey. Its EVA foam tires glide effortlessly over various terrains, from sidewalks to sandy trails. Plus, the durable fabric wipes clean quickly after any adventure. Storing it is a breeze, as it folds flat with just one hand for compact storage. It also includes a rear pouch and 2 cup holders to keep your essentials close. The adjustable handle stays upright when not in use. For over a century, this brand has inspired joyful play. They create lasting products that spark imagination for future generations. Choose a trusted icon for your family's adventures. What we like. This wagon truly shines with its 3-in-1 versatility, easily converting from 2 riders to a bench or cargo hauler. Its UV canopy and padded seats ensure little ones stay comfortable and protected during any outing. If you're looking for a highly adaptable wagon that prioritizes comfort and easy storage for everyday adventures, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Folding Wagon. Experience ultimate versatility with this incredible wagon. It effortlessly transforms, offering 3 distinct modes: hauling, comfortable 2-rider seating, and convenient bench seating. You can easily switch between functions using the side zippers. Storage is a breeze thanks to its easy one-hand fold mechanism. This portable solution can be conveniently stored or taken with you anywhere. Its compact folded dimensions make it incredibly space-efficient. Rest assured, safety is a top priority. This wagon meets stringent toy safety standards, ensuring peace of mind. It comes equipped with secure seat belts and a comfortable padded seat for your children. Don't let its compact design fool you. It boasts an impressive hauling capacity. This can transport up to 150 pounds of either kids or cargo. Plus, it features handy rear storage loops and 2 front cup holders for added convenience. Designed for children aged 1.5 years and up, it supports a maximum weight of 150 pounds. This robust wagon is built to provide years of enjoyment and utility for your family's adventures. What we like. This model also boasts impressive 3-in-1 versatility, perfect for kids, garden, or cargo, but its standout feature is the incredibly easy one-hand fold for compact storage. It's designed to be highly portable, fitting into tight spaces when not in use. If you need a versatile wagon that's super easy to store and transport, making it ideal for spontaneous trips or small living spaces, this one is for you. What people say. Number 3. Radio Flyer All-Terrain Steel and Wood Wagon. Rediscover classic adventures with this iconic red wagon. Its sturdy steel body ensures lasting durability, blending timeless design with modern function. Built to carry up to 200 pounds, this reliable utility cart features wooden stake sides for extra support. It's perfect for everyday use, yard work, beach trips, or errands. Designed with no pinch ball joints and a controlled turning radius, it ensures little fingers stay safe and prevents tipping. Enjoy fun, stylish, and secure rides for your children. Equipped with 10-inch all-terrain rubber air tires, it glides smoothly over pavement, sand, grass, or gravel. Take it to the beach, park, or farmer's market with ease. From backyard play to family outings and gardening, this wagon is your go-to for outdoor fun. It's designed for ages 1.5 years and up, promising endless adventures. What we like. This classic wagon stands out with its robust steel body and wooden stake sides, built for heavy-duty use up to 200 pounds. Its 10-inch all-terrain rubber air tires ensure a smooth ride over any surface, from pavement to sand. If you appreciate a timeless design and need a super durable wagon that can tackle rough terrains and heavy loads, this is your go-to option. What people say. Number 2. Jeep Deluxe Wrangler Stroller Wagon by Delta Children. Discover the ultimate adventure companion for your family. This versatile wagon offers 3 convenient ways to ride, adapting to your child's needs from infancy through toddlerhood. Seamlessly switch between car seat mode with the included adapter, or use it as a stroller for older kids with its secure harnesses. When it's time for an outing, transform it into a spacious wagon to haul all your essentials. Its compact fold makes transport and storage a breeze. This wagon comes equipped with a detachable cooler bag, perfect for snacks and drinks, and a parent organizer to keep your personal items handy. You'll also find multiple pockets and a cup holder, ensuring everything you need is within reach. Experience easy navigation with its 2 adjustable handlebars, allowing you to push or pull comfortably. Swivel front wheels and all-terrain puncture-proof tires ensure a smooth journey, while the one-step parking brake provides instant security. Keep your children happy and protected with its removable UV-blocking canopy and roll-down shades for privacy. It comfortably holds up to 110 pounds, making it suitable for 2 children, and offers a cozy ride for ages 0+ with an adapter or 6 months plus in stroller mode. What we like. This deluxe stroller wagon offers unique car seat compatibility with an included adapter, making it suitable for infants from birth. It also comes with an integrated cooler bag and parent organizer, providing ample storage for all your essentials. If you have an infant and need a versatile wagon that grows with your child while offering superior organization and convenience for longer outings, this model is perfectly equipped. What people say. Number 1. Jeep Sport All-Terrain Stroller Wagon by Delta Children. Introducing the Jeep Sport All-Terrain Stroller Wagon by Delta Children. It's designed for families who love to explore, offering a versatile solution for all your outdoor adventures. Keep your little ones comfortable and safe from the elements. This wagon includes a protective canopy, ensuring they stay cool and shaded on sunny days. Parents will appreciate its thoughtful features. It comes with a convenient organizer for your essentials and an adjustable handlebar for comfortable pushing. Your children will love the built-in snack tray and cup holders. These features keep their favorite treats and drinks within easy reach, making every outing more enjoyable. With its robust all-terrain design, this wagon is ready for any path. Available in a stylish gray-blue moon, it combines durability with modern aesthetics. What we like. Designed for adventure, this all-terrain stroller wagon features robust wheels ready for any path, ensuring a smooth ride wherever you go. It includes a convenient snack tray and cup holders, keeping little ones happy and hydrated on the move. If you're an active family who loves exploring various terrains and wants a wagon with thoughtful features to keep kids entertained and comfortable, this is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.